Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making roasted potatoes and green beans in the oven. For this easy recipe, we need potatoes, green beans, olive oil, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasonings. And you can use any seasonings you'd like, it's totally up to you. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So the proportions don't have to be exact here. I have about 2 pounds of potatoes and 12 ounces of green beans. Feel free to use more beans, less beans, totally up to you. These potatoes, I washed them before making the video. Since they're red potatoes, their skin is thin and totally edible. So I'm not going to peel them because I hate peeling potatoes. It's way too much work. But if you'd like to peel potatoes, of course you can. So let me first cut the potatoes into pieces. And now I'm going to season the potatoes. So we're going to cook potatoes first because potatoes take longer to cook than green beans. So we're going to give them a head start in the oven and add green beans later and finish cooking them all together. So here's potatoes. I'm going to drizzle them with a bit of olive oil. It just makes them more crispy. And sprinkle the seasoning. So here's salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. And now just toss it until they're evenly coated with oil and seasonings, and feel free to add more seasonings. So now I've seasoned the potatoes and I'm going to put them on a baking sheet. So let's put them now in the oven and I will bake them for 20 minutes and then take them out and add the green beans. Now while the potatoes are baking, I'm going to season the green beans. So here they've already been washed and trimmed and ready to use. So I'll just dump them from the bag into the bowl and season them the same way as potatoes. So just add a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. And toss until it's evenly coated in oil and seasonings. And now just set the green beans aside for now, and when potatoes are baked for 20 minutes, we're going to add the green beans and have them finished baking together. Now potatoes have been baking for 20 minutes, so I'm going to take them out and add the beans. So they're really just, about halfway cooked. Of course, not completely cooked because it takes a long time for the potatoes to be ready. So just, you can toss the potatoes if you'd like them to cook more evenly. This is really optional, but since we're taking them out, might as well. And now I'm going to add the green beans. And you can arrange them together so they're really mixed. And now let's put it back in the oven. And we'll bake them until they're ready. So now the potatoes and green beans are ready. So potatoes and green beans have been baking together for 30 minutes. So let's take them out. So let me just recap the time. So the temperature is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The potatoes on their own were cooking for 20 minutes, and together with green beans, they were cooking for an extra 30 minutes. So that's 20 plus 30 minutes, total of 50 minutes. And they're ready. They look amazing. Look at these roasted potatoes and green beans. They look so good. You can serve it to company. It just, looks so impressive, but it's super simple to make. And now let's try it. So let me just cut a potato. So it's ready and it's crispy on the outside, and see, it has great roasted potato texture on the inside, and same green beans, super soft. Let's try it. So good. They're delicious, perfectly seasoned, perfectly roasted. You will love it, and best of all, so simple to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!